Hey everybody, this is my Samsung DLP TV. I need some help fixing it. Basically when I try to turn it on, all that will happen is my lamp light will blink. It'll do this for a little while now and it won't turn on. So let me show you the back of the TV. Kind of hear some of the noises going on back here when it's trying to turn on. I see a spark trying to engage, but nothing's happening. So if you know anything on what's going on, I don't have a lot of money to try to spend fixing this thing, but please let me know. Thank you.